defines how users navigate a form, whether you can see one question at a time or the full form, and whether you can go back to the edit previous responses. So let's test the entry mode. So we have three options. If we use random mode, all questions visible and can be filled out in any order. Let's test it. So this is a form, and we can fill out this form in any order. Okay, so the next is a sequential mode. So one question at a time and no backtracking. Let's test it. So we can start to fill out this form, and so we don't have the ability to go back. And the last questions, and we get the submit button at the end. And the last mode is a prior edit mode. One question at a time, but users can return to previous answer. Let's test it. So we can fill out the questions, but we have an ability to go back and change something. Also, we have an ability to skip questions. So, for example, if I don't want to answer this question and this question is not required, I can skip this question. Skip. Okay, this question is required, and the last question, and we get the submit button. So that's all. Thank you.